Kursunge. I am from CSE.
Shank from first year electrical.
I am Vanshas Dude. I am from CS.
Hello everyone, my name is Aryan Sau and I am from electrical first year.
I am Sujal Dirga. I am from CSE branch.
Hello everyone, my name is Vansh Juksania. I am from electrical branch first year, and
I am Somya Chavan and I am from CSE branch.
Myself Smith Bopla. I am from CSE branch.
My name is Piyush Visan. I am from electrical first year.
My name is Kunal Khatse. I am from electrical engineering first year. I am from Sambhajinagar.
I am from Katul.
Hello everyone, my name is Krishna Tiwari. I am from electrical first year. I am from Nagpur.
Have you heard about the entrepreneurship cell before? If yes, what do you think it does?
Yes, I am here about the eCell. Is provide a funding and provide a contacts to in eCell.
Yes, I have heard about entrepreneurship cell before. It was introduced in our induction program. We were told that our seniors will be cooperating with us and telling all about all necessary things needed for making an entrepreneurship successful. Means the process was being told to us, and we were supported. We were going to be supported by our seniors to develop our project and build our entrepreneurship skills.
Yes, I have heard about entrepreneurship cell. I think it gives us opportunity and help us to create new innovation and
I do have heard about this cell before, probably in my induction program.
मैंने भी मेरे काफ़ी सारे सीनियर्स से इस बारे में सुना है. जब हमारा इंडक्शन प्रोग्राम था तब काफ़ी सारे सीनियर्स आके हमको इस बारे में ब्रीफली बता के गए थे.
About entrepreneurship, our seniors explain us briefly about what is entrepreneurship and what is startup.
वो भी हमें फंडिंग करते हैं जो हमारे लिए यूजफुल होता है.
हाँ, लाइक हमारे आइडियाज़ को पिच करने के लिए एक अपॉर्चुनिटी देते हैं.
second question is your startup makes homework done automatically. What the pricing plan?
So like I would have basically planned it in such a way that like it is economical, because mostly it would be the college student will be paying.
Yeah.
I'd like to keep it accordingly.
मैं प्राइसिंग अपने हिसाब से भी रखूँगा कि मुझे उसमें क्या खर्चा लग रहा है, और देन बाद में आई विल डू सर्वे ऑन इट कि हाउ मच स्टूडेंट कैन पे फॉर दिस.
आई फील पहले हमें थोड़ा फ्री में देना चाहिए, मतलब फ्री में प्रमोशन करना चाहिए, जिससे हमारे पास काफ़ी सारे स्टूडेंट्स आएंगे. उसके बाद हम थोड़ा प्रीमियम उनसे चार्ज कर सकते हैं.
वो जो प्राइस है वो ऐसे रखेंगे कि सबके लिए वो अफोर्डेबल है.
As per the need, I can try to say.
Their price, firstly when I introduce it, their cost is low, and after their need or demand, it will be increased, and their price will be normal and affordable to everyone.
And this will be 100 rupees per homework.
Means it must be 2 or 3 rupees for a page, or it I will can use for monthly and or for pages. For annually I will prefer it for 200 rupees, and for pages it will be for 0.5 rupees per page.
If you were a shark, what kind of startups would you invest in?
So if I was a shark, I would have been invested in products which are based on semiconductor ideas, because as of now we are seeing that semiconductors are being rapidly grown, and also I also see very much future scope about that semiconductor products. So I will be investing in that.
First I would look at the scalability कि कितना बिजनेस है, वो कितना स्केल हो सकता है. उसके बाद देखूंगा कितना जो कॉम्पिटिटर्स है बाहर काफ़ी सारे, जैसे ChatGPT वगैरह हो गया, और बाकी AI कंपनीज है, फिनटेक कंपनीज है काफ़ी सारी, उनसे कॉम्पिटिटर में कितना अच्छा है वो. और बाकी जो टीम है, जो मेंबर्स है उसके स्टार्टअप के, जिन्होंने वो स्टार्टअप शुरू किया है, वो कैसे हैं, उनके बारे में नॉलेज गेन करने की कोशिश करूँगा.
स्टार्टअप में इन्वेस्ट करने में जो हमारे समाज के लिए मतलब जैसे कि शिक्षा, अपना जो शिक्षा है उसमें ज़्यादा मतलब यूज़फुल हो, इसके लिए हम इन्वेस्ट करेंगे.
I would to like invest in footwears as it is daily needs, and I will be like to recommend 999 for per item.
I should invest in food. It will be very beneficial for the other students or who lives outside our outside.
Do you think entrepreneurship can be learned in college or only through experience?
Yes, I think entrepreneurship can be learned in college and also by experience. But I think if the college is playing a major role in developing all the skills necessary for the entrepreneurship, then it can be learned all the way in college. But if college is not supportive in terms of giving all the basic knowledge and all the facilities, then I think experience is a must. And by experience only, entrepreneurship and entrepreneur can be made. So there are both factors, the college factor also and the external factor also, our experience. So I think both go hand in hand.
Yes, definitely, if college provide us a platform like eSale, then definitely we will try.
Learn from both. It could be learned from both because I feel because college also provides with a lot of opportunities. A lot of events are held, so yeah, we can do it from both. Yeah.
I think college and by experience too, because experience is most important for startups. And
If you could solve one problem in the world with an innovation idea, what would you choose?
If I could innovate something, I will definitely create a motorcycle or a automobile which runs with water to solve the problem of air pollution.
What if you were Elon Musk for a day? अगर मैं एक दिन के लिए इलॉन मस्क होता तो मैं सारी दुनिया में जितनी महंगी चीज़ें सब खरीद लेता और कुछ पैसे गरीबों को दे देता और ज़िंदगी भर ऐश करता.
मैं बड़ी अमाउंट इंडिया में इन्वेस्ट करता.
मैं तो जितने मजे हो सकते हैं उतने करता.
ये कॉलेज को खरीद के बंद कर देता कॉलेज.
भाई मज़ा आया और मैं ये जो मज़ा है हिंदुस्तान के हर व्यक्ति को देना चाहता हूँ.
मैं बीसीसीआई को खरीद लेता और इंडिया के पॉलिटिशियंस को भी खरीद लेता.